A lesser known autoresponder company is called Drip, and Drip does have subscriber based pricing and what they call a single plan structure. So all users receive access to the same features, and all the pricing adjustments are going to be based on the subscriber count. Drip currently has unlimited email sends. So there is no meter based pricing on the amount of emails that you are going to send. Drip does have all of the standard automations and tools that you would need in order to integrate and do more with your autoresponder than just send emails. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, Drip does have a policy, and this really does require that you do have a conversation with Drip to determine if the kind of affiliate marketing that you do will line up with their company. You also do want to make sure that you're adhering to best practices of sending individuals to your website rather than direct to affiliate links. Standard tagging and segmentation is possible using Drip, and because this is an unlimited send email system, you can expect that there will be changes, so you are going to want to monitor this as you get started using Drip. You can delegate some of the work of using Drip to another individual if you want to work with them, and there are third-party integrations available. This is outside of those you might use with Zapier. You can also use them with Drip. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.